What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another Hot Wheels 5-pack. So basically you don't see too many Hot Wheels 5-packs here on this channel. Well, recently I've shown the Ferrari 5-pack, which was pretty cool, but normally Hot Wheels 5-pack, that means a lot of weird fantasy stuff. But this set here, Metro Sketch, is in my opinion pretty cool. The theme is pretty cool. So basically, yeah, I don't know, graffiti-like. And I bought this 5-pack basically for one casting. I'm collecting the Mighty K, and this version is pretty cool. So yeah, here is the packaging. Nothing too special. I've already cut this thing open. So let's go quickly through the other models, and then we get to the Mighty K, and I'll show you the other versions that I have. So this one here, this must be the Fire Eater. So let's take a look at the base. Yes. As you can see, plastic body, metal base. I don't know. This is definitely not my cup of tea. I haven't seen this casting before. By the way, yeah, pretty strange color combination, yellow and purple. And well, if you like fire trucks, maybe, but I'm not really into this thing. So let's put this to the side. Then we have this guy, which is called Fast Forward, old casting from 2013. Yeah, well, some kind of small rally style, whatever. Nothing too interesting. And yeah, then we have this one here, the Ford Transit Connect from 2019. I think this one looks pretty nice. In my opinion, I like the Transit graffiti here on the side. This looks pretty good. I do not collect this casting. I only have one other version. This one, I think, is from 2 or 3 years ago. And if you take a close look, I mean, this is pretty neat with the flowers, flower delivery. If you take a close look at this flower, then you see the Hot Wheels flames, and that means this was a regular treasure hunt. I mean, the purple tinted windows are, I don't know, well, matching the wheels. So yeah, Ford Transit Connect. What else do we have? This is the what is this one called? The a Combat Medic. Yeah, Combat Medic. I think this is really, really old. So let's take a look at the base. 1976, and then retooled in 2012. I think a while ago you could open these back doors, but yeah, that's gone. So this thing is pretty heavy, and you know, the big advantage of these trucks is you have a lot of space to fill, and yeah, this looks really good. So HW, if I'm correctly, which means Hot Wheels, and I think this is pretty nicely done. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Also a casting I don't collect. I don't know how many versions of this thing are out. I guess many. I only have this version, which was in a Silver Series set. If you take a look at the wheels, these are Silver Series exclusive wheels, and I bought this van because it was number 5 of 5, and yeah, this one came with a metal base, and this thing is really, really heavy, really heavy. And you can see here's Spider-Man on the side. So yeah, that was the Combat Medic, but the main reason I bought this 5-pack is this one here, the Mighty K. And yeah, comes with a really cool deco on the side, like I don't know, anime style, whatever. This guy looks like Street Fighter or something. I have no idea, to be honest, but I have to say it looks pretty neat. So basically this is a Ryo Asada casting. It mimics a Japanese K truck, and yeah, I really like this casting. You see, little kind of an Easter egg here. We have this skateboard here in the back. It also comes, if you take a close look, with a spare tire and kind of a tool kit. And this version, yeah, is with blue tinted windows. We have lensed headlights, which of course are a part of the interior piece. I really like these extremely small wheels. I know it's a generic casting, basically, not a licensed model, but I really like this. So let's take a look at the other versions, and let's see how many we can fit on this turntable. I am not really sure which one was the first version. Maybe, I don't know. So we've seen it in red. There's also a Super Treasure Hunt, and I also have the Super Treasure Hunt, which is of course still in the packaging. Was in kind of a darker Spectraflame red. Then we had this pink version, which is pretty nice. Let's focus here on the front. A little more light. This one to the side. And we even have more versions. We've seen it in white. We have this yellow version, which has the same deco as this guy here. And then we have a really strange version, which was part of one of these spring sets, or I don't know how they are called. Pretty difficult to get. But yeah, so let's bring up this guy once again. I mean, this is a neat casting in my opinion. And you know, for me, one of the coolest thing of collecting is when you have one casting, so best thing from the beginning, and you have all the versions, or nearly all the versions, or you're trying to get all the versions, and it's pretty cool over the years when you know, a new version of the casting comes out and you can add it to the collection. And I mean, this one from a 5-pack, yes, not everybody has it a few years from now, and yeah, nice addition to the collection. And yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. Thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.